Hello guys, good morning. It's Trader Cramier and we're back again for another live trading Forex and crypto and also the stock market. We have some analysis for today and some sell and buy signals for NAS100, Bitcoin, and so we have some Forex signals too in the Discord channel. Please check the description below. And yes, now we're watching the NASDAQ 100 for the sell signal, which is now in play, and still early for me to enter trade though. But this is a buy limit. It's okay to have a buy limit and safe stop loss. So yeah. Wait a minute guys, so I'll just set up my trade. Alright, so Nasdaq is trading higher and I think it's gonna reach for the 4-hour bearish order block. Let me just clear this one. So here we have this as our bearish order block. We also have this inefficiency. So right now I'm thinking of a sell for Nasdaq, and I am looking at this low right here, which is untapped. And the reason why I'm looking for this as a target for our sell is because of this imbalance right here that has now been imbalanced. And recently, actually yesterday, we tapped into an old high, which is the previous week's high. Not really the previous week's high, but an old high, yeah. So we rejected from this area. Also, if you go to the left side of the screen or the chart, this is a rejection block, and exactly how it's outlined here, this is the sell side imbalance, buy side inefficiency, or simply a fair value gap. So these are the levels I'm watching for Nasdaq, and the move I am anticipating is a downward move or a sell-off scenario. And take note that we're on a 4-hour chart. The entries could have been in 1-minute chart, how you see right now. We have the entry around, I think it's 15,882 or 83, somewhere near that, but this high is not yet this stop loss, so the initial position is still in play. It's not yet stop out, and I'm looking to sell short. It will eventually going to take this low right here later on at 9:30, so I think I'm going to sell now with some low risk entries. Yeah, I think I'm going to sell right now, but I want to see a price rejection first. And what I mean by that is if you're looking at my screen now, let me just check my so if you're looking at my Nasdaq MT4 on the 4-hour chart, I mean 1 minute chart, it still wanted to trade higher, and I want to see a rejection from this high. Yeah, that high is now being traded, and I want it to be rejected. And in the 4-hour time frame, I want also this one to be rejected. So 2 price points I'm looking at for Nasdaq, and now it's entering this range. So just be safe, guys. Our stop loss are tight, and remember that you should always have some tight stop loss and manage your risk properly. But before that, let me just go to our Tesla stock, which we have a signal also for. Wow, we have a sell signal for this one, but the idea is trading back to an old high or inefficiency. This is yesterday's inefficiency or an old high rather. So the pre-market open is higher. That could mean that it is going to trade higher first before a sell-off. So this is a premium. Above pre-market is premium, below pre-market is a discount. So since we have the pre-market open higher, I think it's going to take this high right here. So let me just move this cursor, I mean line. So let's say that Tesla stock is moving higher. So what we're looking at here is this relative equal high. This would be deemed as resistance, but for us smart money traders, this could mean buy side liquidity being taken out later on. For the AMD stock, wow, it took our stop loss, but no, it's not really a stop loss, but since this is an inefficiency being tapped, I guess this is already better. So it did not add our buy signal, so I guess I'm going to cancel that one. But the sell signal is still in play. Sell limit would be 907 and 30 for SL1. So I guess we got stop out. For now, we haven't got stop out in the initial position yet. It's 12 minutes from now, but let me just go over to our stock analysis. For Nike stock, we have a pre-market open lower. Okay, so this could mean like this. Let's remove these drawings. Could mean like this one and trade lower because we already went higher, and in sense of using the logic of RSI, but I don't use RSI indicator. This could mean something like overbought. So we have bought prices to make it higher. I mean the banks or institutional traders, they have positions here, which is a long position, and now they're starting to sell off from these highs. So this could mean a lower price for Nike. Counterpart, the Adidas, is now trading lower. So this is what I want to see on Nike stock also. So you can see it traded back to this buy side liquidity or the relative equal highs. We are now in a equilibrium from this swing low, swing high. So we're still trading below this 50% level from this swing high and swing low. That means we could trade higher first before a sell-off, and this could mean this could be around this area right here. This is an optimal trade entry. So let's wait for this one to pan out. This is the 4-hour time frame, but we can still wait for this one. So I'm gonna highlight this, and let's go over to our indicators channel. Indicators. So the link is in the description below for our website trader.com, and these indicators are proven trustworthy when it comes to adding confluence in our trade setups and trade decisions. Also, this is the SMC indicator. This is just the simple points where you can either wait for this retracement and buy for the green one, or the red, which is a sell or bearish, or a take profit for our buys. So what I mean by that is like this. Let me just show you a good example. So here we have a buy signal around this area. We might not reach this one, but ideally this is a buy signal already around this area. So if you have bought here, this would be your take profit targets, and as a sell also. So these are the added confluence from our SMC indicator. And also with the buy and sell indicator, which is a bit advanced, or should I say, if you are an advanced trader. So this is what I'm talking about. We now have a sell around this area for Nike, Adidas. So this is already a sell signal. But actually, if you go to lower time frame, we could have sell signal around these areas. So this could mean this one. So this is another added confluence for our sell, which is around this area right here later on. So let me just check this one. Let me just have a screenshot. So this is a 4-hour trade. If ever you got in early from yesterday's trade or yesterday's signal, so you could have like 4-hour gain and a beautiful 37 pip run. Let me just take a screenshot of this one. Let's go back to our NAS100, still trading higher. I'm not yet entering this trade because I am waiting for the the market open around 9:30 for added confluence, and yeah, I just want to wait for the time. Actually, I don't trade pre-market open or before the market open, because for me that's in my opinion that's dangerous. So it's good to have some caution in trading the market open. It could gap higher even right after the 9:30 opening bell. So let me just post this one. here guys we can let me just go to my buy signal around this exact level here using our trader indicator, which is the SMC indicator. So this is really good indicator guys. You can use this as your main confluence for, or additional confluence rather, for your trading decisions. So we have here the 4-hour chart. Let me just show you in a minute. Okay, so this is the buy signal for SMC indicator, for EURUSD using the SMC indicator, right? But you can see here that since this is a long-term trade, you can also, and we also identify this high as our bullish order block, and in the daily time frame, this is the exact high. So you can see how it reacted to the tick. And with this buy signal right here, you don't need the price to get to this one, because this is another buy scenario for EURUSD on a higher time frame. You can already utilize this idea, since this is a high probability buy inside this range, like that. So if you go to 1 minute time frame, you can see how we can utilize this one using our SMC indicator, since we are bullish and we want price to how do you call this one? We want price to reach this daily bullish order block, and utilizing our signal. So this one is a buy. Let me just highlight this one on the Discord channel. The link is in the description below. So we have this buy signal right here, right? And we can frame this one as, let's say you have a 10-point stop loss. So this is a very cool trade. This is called the low resistance liquidity run, which is most of the time a very good opportunity for a clean trade. So this is 22 pip gain for EURUSD on our buy, from our buy signal also. Let me just take a screenshot. 6:30, so market just opened and we now have some reaction trading lower for this NAS100 stock, but I think we had the stop out. No, we have 0.2. But yeah, I consider this a loss, guys, so that's it. I think I'll just re-evaluate this signal first, then give you an insight. But right now, I think it's going back to this. This is the 9:30 opening, right? So we might take the old high here. Let me just show you. Okay, so we are now trading inside this daily bearish order block, and also within this week, this WICK week of yesterday's price action. So let's wait for this for a positive reaction, then I think we're going to frame a trade right after maybe around 20 minutes. So I'm watching the price right now. I think it's going to take this high. It's just a hunch. This is a very shorter block. Let me see how it did trade to this one. In the 4-hour time frame, so that's the 1-hour time frame. The daily, I have the Tuesday's price action this week right here, which is 15901. The week right here is almost the same level as this one, so that's not random, guys. What I want to see is a rejection right now within this 4-hour time frame bearish order block. Also with the rejection block inside this 4-hour week. Yep. But I think I'm missing something here, so let me just clarify a bit. Let me just reevaluate myself. Okay, so we have an old high tapped out. We're not trading to this high. The midpoint. Okay, I think I'll just cancel the trade right now for for the signals channel. That's sad. Sell image will be invalidated, so let me just cancel this one. The idea is now cancelled for buy and sell of NAS100. This is what I'm talking about when trading NFP weeks. It's really unpredictable sometimes, and even my precision, although I have a good precision when it comes to signals, sometimes it really just safe to it's better to stay on the sidelines and wait for the price to react or give you a hint where the market is about to go. So we just took the trade, guys, and as you can see, the results are now on your screen. I just want to take something off from this just to make me feel better. And what I mean by that is just to make sure I'm not over leveraging and I'm taking the risk of my trades. So you should also do that, guys. It's really cool to have some level of how do you call this, risk management when it comes to trading live funds, and you should be trading very carefully, especially in these times of what I'm about to say is you know what's happening around the world, right? So there's a lot of war going on and crises like that, so we don't know what's gonna happen eventually on the charts if someone pulled the plug, you know what I mean? So you should be careful trading, and you should always take profits aggressively, move your stop losses, grab something out of the market if you can grab something out of the market, like if you can afford to lose, so you should be aggressively taking profits also. So right now I'm at a screen display. Okay, so I have here another trade. Oh no. I have here display capture. What else? It's not display capture, it should be window capture. Okay, so I have so this is the other account that I'm trading. You can see in my screen. So this is how I trade the accounts. So let me just add more. So I have here other accounts. So this is another so yeah, this is how my screen looks like on a normal basis. So you can see I am trading these accounts. Let me just show you another one. So I have 4 MT4s running on this one computer. So this one is also, so yeah, it's all in profit, and this is how confident I am when trading. So yeah, let me just remove this one. That sucks, right? So let me just close this capture. So now we are risk off. We now have a very safe trade. If you get stop out, it's okay, we're already on profits. What else? So we'll just write this one till we get stop out, or yeah, we just change the screen, by the way. So we just have something like is this better? Yeah, that's better, right? Locked. it's gonna trade higher now, I guess. But here's a real account. The one on the left is a challenge account, which is currently on the phase 2. Yeah, it's phase 2 already. So just recalibrate something in this chart. Let us review something on this chart rather. On the 5-minute time frame, we have here balance. We have a rejection. We traded below this 9:30 opening bell. What else? On the regular trading hours for E-mini NQ, we have a higher pre-market open. So this is significant, guys. This could mean that we can trade lower now, and it's because we have here a very huge gap. So this is the 9:30 Wednesday, 4 o'clock. So we could trade lower. Yeah, and that's what I believe we're going to trade lower. Just like how we traded previous day. So here, I believe we can trade lower. And if we go to our 4-hour chart, just look how it just act this rejection block right. Oh no, sorry. This is the. Wait, let me just go to the daily. I think it's in the 1 hour. So this is I don't know where I didn't grab this one, but if I highlight something like this could mean a rejection block or a wick. Yeah, I think it's a daily wick. Oh wow, where did I get that one? Oh, here it's a form of old high or relatively called high here, with a fair value gap and also a balanced price range. So the midpoint of this one should be left open. Sorry guys, I'm mixing things up. It's because of my notebook. Can't find my notebook. Whenever I trade, I put my notebook beside me so that I can read my journal and how I read the price 3 to 4 days ago, technically like Saturday or Sunday, and that's how I plan my trades for the week. Okay guys, so that's it for today's live trade. I'll just let this one run, but I'll be back. I just need something to I just want to review my notes and give you some insights with the stock and Bitcoin or crypto channel. Yeah, so stay tuned. You can copy my trades, of course. It's a sell, but if you are going to sell right now, your stop should be same as mine, and be mindful that it already ran. So yeah, just manage your risk properly, and it's still a sell. It's still a sell, but it's now going to retrace back to a level of bearish order block and some balance. So until I frame another trade, you can wait for me to set another trade and copy it, or and since you're trading demo only, so forget about that. this should be a demo. Oops. Okay. So we're not allowed to trade live, but I guess so. But just to prove our logic works and our method works, we always show you live trades, and yeah, of course it's live, and this is not market replay. I executed the trades live, and as you can see, I entered up in profit. So yeah, stay tuned guys, and wait for my analysis for stocks and Bitcoin.